Huawei just dropped two powerful budget phones with massive batteries, Kirin chip performance, and premium features at a surprisingly low price. The Enjoy 90 Pro Max and Enjoy 90 Plus are officially on sale. Huawei is making a strong move in the budget smartphone market with the launch of the Enjoy 90 Pro Max and Enjoy 90 Plus. These new devices are designed to offer premium-level features at a price that's much easier on the wallet. And honestly, these phones are not what you usually expect from budget devices. Let's start with pricing, because that's where things get really interesting. The Enjoy 90 Pro Max comes in three variants. The origin is priced at 1699 yuan, the 256GB version at 1999, 100GB variant at 2399 yuan. On the other hand, the Enjoy 90 Plus is even more affordable. The 28GB model costs 1499 yuan, while the 256GB version is priced at 1799 yuan. For what these phones offering is very competitive. Now let's talk about design and colors. The Enjoy 90 Pro Max is available in blue, dawn gold, white, and black. Meanwhile, the Enjoy 90 Plus comes in sea blue, white, and black. Both phones look clean and modern, and Huawei is clearly trying to make them feel more premium despite the lower price. Moving on to performance, both devices are powered by the Kirin 8000 processor and run on Harmony OS 6. This combination is designed to deliver smooth performance for everyday tasks like social media, browsing, gaming, and multitasking. For a budget phone, having a Kirin chip in Huawei's latest software is a big deal. It shows that the company is serious about performance, even in this price range. Now let's look at the display. The Enjoy 90 Pro Max features a large 6.84-inch OLED display. It supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which means smoother scrolling and better visuals. It also has HD resolution and an impressive peak brightness of 4000 nits, making it easy to use even in bright sunlight. The Enjoy 90 Plus has a slightly smaller 6.67-inch LCD display. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, but the resolution is HD and brightness goes up to 850 nits. It's not as advanced as the Pro Max, but still solid for the price. Let's talk about the cameras. Both phones come with a 50MP Ultra Vision main camera. This should deliver sharp and detailed photos in good lighting conditions. They also support up to 10x digital zoom, which adds more flexibility when taking pictures from a distance. On the front, both devices include an 8MP selfie camera. It's simple but good enough for video calls and casual photos. Now, here's one of the biggest highlights: battery life. The Enjoy 90 Pro Max packs a massive 8500 mAh battery. That's huge even compared to many flagship phones. This means you can easily get extended usage without worrying about charging frequently. The Enjoy 90 Plus also brings a large 6620 mAh battery, which is still very impressive for a phone in this category. Both devices support 40W turbocharging, so even with these large batteries, you won't have to wait too long to recharge. There's also a small extra feature on the Enjoy 90 Plus, a special X button. While details are limited, it could be used for shortcuts or quick actions, adding a bit more convenience. Overall, Huawei is clearly trying to change how people see budget smartphones. Instead of offering basic features, the company is pushing strong performance, high refresh rate displays, large batteries, and modern design, all at a lower price point. The Enjoy 90 Pro Max and Enjoy 90 Plus are not just affordable phones. They are designed to give users more value and a better overall experience. And if this is the direction Huawei continues to take, the budget smartphone market is about to get a lot more competitive.